standing in right position and walking correctly is very important. But many times pregnant women stand in a wrong posture. Suppose they may put weight more on one side or on the other side, and it is not good for you. Whenever you stand, you must stand with weight equally distributed between both the legs and straight. Don't slouch your shoulder, but make them straight and comfortable. You don't have to tighten too much, but straight and comfortable. Try to keep your neck also straight and comfortable, as if somebody is pulling you from a string above your head. And one more thing that you can do is try to hold your stomach slightly inside. Because what happens is, as the abdomen is growing forward, your center of gravity is changing. And with a changing center of gravity, many times your lower back comes in a very wrong posture and you get lot of strain in the back. Let me show you by simple example how women hold their back in a wrong position during pregnancy. So as the abdomen is going forward, your center of gravity is changing. And just to make up for that, naturally sometimes your hips come backwards and there is an exaggerated curve in your lower back. This exaggerated curve can give you pain in the lower back and middle back. To avoid this exaggerated curve, centering of the pelvis is very important. So for centering of the pelvis, what you need to do is just tilt the pelvis by 15 to 20 degrees like this. And your back curve has completely gone or almost gone. So centering of the pelvis is very important. When you walk, you must always walk after centering your pelvis, keeping your shoulders straight, your neck straight and your back also straight, and walk slowly but comfortably. Let me warn you about one more thing. No fashion with the footwear during pregnancy. Stop wearing high heels and stilettos because that can disturb your balance, that can give you backache, and that can also hurt your calf muscles. So try to wear the flat footwear and comfortable footwear. Now last thing I want to show you about the posture is how to take something from the floor. Like most of the time, automatically, whenever you have to pick up anything from the floor, we bend down and try to pick up the things and then come up. But when you bend down like this, your back is hurting, your abdomen is also getting compressed. So in case you need to pick up anything from the floor, keep your back straight but bend from your knees. You can pick up whatever you need to pick up and then stand up. Because there is nothing wrong, no problem with your knees. All the concerns are in the abdominal and back area. So keep that straight and always bend down from the knees.